The Mustang. So as I was getting my rental car, the man behind the counter asked me, "Why are you here?" And I explained to him, and he started talking about his vision and how bad it is. He's not a candidate for LASIK, and you know, he said, "You're gonna give me the man's number," and I didn't have a card. I usually have a card, but I had a pen, so I gave him the pen, and as he's processing me through, he says, "Well, let's upgrade you."
Oh my
so
God.
he upgraded me to a black convertible Mustang for my week here in sunny sunny
Look
Florida.
at that story.
And it was just such a great kind of, gosh, you got me a Mustang.
Oh my God. Roam around, have fun, because after tomorrow you're resting in the hotel.
Well,
Okay?
John will have fun in the Mustang.
I love it, love it.
Do you want to see the car? Rated? Because I shared your information with the rental car guy.
Can I go out for 5 minutes, guys? Let's go. Here we go. Okay. Oh wow, that's the one. That's it.
It's so fun to drive. I don't know how to put the top down.
Let's see if I can work that. Need to turn it on first. Yeah, did you do that?
Yeah, you can turn it on.
There you go, Eva. What a day.
Nice, huh? Perfect day for it.
And John's coming in now from
He
Carolina.
is. He is.
Pick him up at the airport.
I'll be careful on
Enjoy. You guys come here to vacation while I work so hard for you. Take care, Eva. Bye
board. See you
bye.
tomorrow.